early this morning that a headband wig is just a half wig with a headband, and I thought, I have a half wig, I have headbands, boom. And so here I am recording this video because let's make a headband wig. So we're gonna be showing 2 wigs today. Alright guys, so the 2 wigs that I'm gonna be showing you today are the Outre Peruvian half wig, and my all-time favorite half wig is the Outre Dominican curly. Now both of these are under $15, so you could pick up both. You can pick them up in different colors. So to do this, all I am gonna be doing is laying down my edges, and y'all see I did that already. And my hair isn't even braided. Like, that's how little of commitment you need for headband wigs. Like, these wigs are big head friendly, so I know my hair is gonna fit in it and it's not gonna be puffy. So if you're not familiar with half wigs, they come with this thick band right at the top, and right at the edge of it, it has a large comb. This is the width of the comb, and it has a comb at the bottom to secure your hair, and that's it. So let me show y'all. Yeah, and of course we have that weft here, so that's where your headband comes in. So I have this headband that I got from Forever 21 years ago that I've never worn. So I'm just gonna put this on. Boom, a headband wig. Oh my gosh. Y'all can't tell me I didn't put you on some game. Don't buy that expensive wig, girl. Don't buy that expensive headband wig. Make your own. Wow, this is vibes. Tell me something cute. Tell me something to revolutionize your life. Wow. We did that in what, 2 minutes? Put on the wig, put on the headband. That's it. Maybe if you count your edges, 5. Talk truth. Talk truth. Talk truth. Me, not buy no headband wig. Me, I go wear my half wig for less than $15 and put my headband over it. Alright guys, so moving on to the second wig, which is the Outre Penny. This one is a little bit more worn than the Peruvian, just because I love this color, my skin tone. And it is constructed the same way, with clips at the top and base of the wig. And I forgot to tell you that most half wigs comes with an adjustable strap, which is why it's so big head friendly, because you can just adjust and move to your size. So let's show y'all this one. You could go in with like hairpins if you want to make it extra secure. So let's turn this into a headband wig real quick. Got my headband. Tell me if you're not gonna buy this. Like, touch root, I gotta love. Babes. Babes. Tell the truth, we got love. Look good. Bad. Nice. There y'all go. Headband wigs. Under $15. Like. Alright guys, we've reached the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it and hope that you try this out instead of picking up a super expensive headband wig. Repurpose the wigs that you do have, because hello, y'all saw. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed already, subscribe videos. Watch another video before you go, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.